morning, everyone. Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, and it is Monday morning, and this is where the rubber hits the road, so to speak. So we go back to, or I go back to work today. John goes back tomorrow, beginning of the week, and this is where it's going to be hard. I'm working a lot of overtime, so the temptation to just say, screw this, we're eating out, is going to be great. So we're going to really make a conscious effort to just pretend like the stores are closed and we can't get any food. So let me show you what we're starting our day with here. So this morning, here's what I showed you yesterday. I was making on the stove, the tikka masala. Yes, we are having chicken tikka masala for breakfast. And you're saying, oh, Melissa, that's disgusting. How can you eat that stuff for breakfast? Well, guess what? Very easily. And we have been known actually to have our biggest meal for breakfast and then eat later during the day. So this is all part of our weight loss program right now, and our program to just feel better during the day, eat bigger in the morning so we can work it off during the day. So it's the tikka masala that I made yesterday, all from the pantry, a half a piece of naan. That is also from the pantry. I have a little bit of basmati rice underneath, and then coffee, and then this yummy stuff that if you haven't tried it, you really need to try this with your Indian food. A gentleman at an Indian restaurant we like to go to turned us on to this, and it is delicious, but it's hot. So a little goes a long way. So this is breakfast. I better get eaten so I can get to work.